Dang, the Lou's Garage kind of figured it out. But yo, we back at Lou's Garage again. And what's the This is the intro, right? Yeah. What's the goal? Why is she backwards? Hold on.
Because there's nothing's bolted to the interior. It's just in there.
This is
So the car had a leak. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fix the leak. Now that everything's kind of settled in and it seems like everything's fixed, I can finally try and fix it. So.
All right, cool.
So we're gonna be putting carpet in today and putting back the interior.
So we're recarpeting the CRX, something like that. But yeah, CRX. Look at that. So right. How do I? There we go. Yeah, right now I'm gonna be sitting in here while Jeffrey is gonna spray to see if there's any leaks. Hopefully this doesn't result in getting wet. Yeah, he's gonna spray it. Hopefully I don't get wet. Making sure there's no leaks. Got a leak problem. I think that's the only one, to be honest with you. I could be wrong. Oh god, it's not even a leak, it's just like straight up dripping now. But it looks like there's no other spot as I'm looking around. My leg's starting to give out, but you know, everything's fine. I'll come back to when my legs aren't hurting anymore. You know, car enthusiasts be like, oh man, yeah, it's just surface rust.
Alright, since we have to wait on the CRX, do you want to work on the transmission cord for the pilot right now?
Yeah, why not? This is the bad boy we're putting in here.
Come on.
Oh, that's weird. Why is it to the left?
Because cars are different.
Well, like all the way to the, like most cars have in the middle. This is just weird. This is to the left. What do you mean? The middle's right here, like where the camera is.
That's that?
Oh.
And it is mostly in the middle.
Ew. I don't like this engine. It's ew. This is not what I picture when I see was this a V6? Yeah, this is a V6. This is not what I think.
V-series, the ones with the transmissions go out like nothing because they overheat.
You heard it here first, Lou's Garage. But yeah, I don't like
cars,
this.
Or the gray SUVs.
All
the CRXs here. I CRX back to the house with that thing, okay, Niall?
I mean, I didn't say it was a bad car. It's just, ooh. Yeah. Oh wait, hold up. Boop. Zoomed in. No, I'm not. All right. We got the. What do you even call that? Just the front piece?
It's like the front grill. It's probably got bolts on the bottom.
Is it hooked up any? Do you have a
exporter needs like some screws.
Okay, I can see a couple of bolts. Which one? Should be in the toolbox now. You know, I'm starting to think. Most of the time we're at Lou's Garage, it's just repairing stuff. 85% of the time. I mean,
That's how it works.
There's that one where we put the coils on, and then there's the one where we took the coils off and then put other coils on. So then it became a repair.
It's got to be repaired before they become mods.
I don't even think I have any of the footage. Actually, yeah, the channel didn't exist when this man put exhaust on this car, put exhaust on his car, headers on his car, and yeah. I don't think we have any footage of this. This is his, I guess you could say, part of the car. So, yeah.
Second parts car.
Second, well, what's your first part? Well, I see your point. Yeah, his second parts car then. As you can see, it's has a little bit of a and a little bit of browning. You know, there's nothing wrong with a little bit of brown, but Now we got the bumper off. Sick. So once again, my question is, wait.
What are we doing?
No, that's not the question.
Where does the trans cooler go?
Yeah, you're gonna say on the trans. I was looking forward. Is it? Oh, this is weird. Wow, I've never seen a V6.
It's a V6.
Well, V6 transversely mounted. You know, V6 is usually. You know what I mean? The views know what I mean. The two people who watch, which are me. I need to stop saying that. But it's a force of habit because I'm used to it.
Okay, now I gotta take a look at where the actual. We got the condenser here. And we got the actual radiator on the inside.
Uh-huh.
Question is, where does that trans line run?
Transformers. More that meets the eye.
So it looks like this is the trans line that runs back into the system. Especially runs into the lower portion of the radiator. And it looks like this also might be the trans line. Ugh. Oh, this is gonna be not as easy as it looks. Ugh. Can I cut that? What? No, we're not cutting anything on this car.
No, never mind.
You're not cutting anything.
Where'd the transmission cooler go? Where'd you put it? Still in the box? Alright. So we're gonna install this, right? But you know, we don't really need to. You know why? Because I figured out his problem. The reason he's not getting any airflow is because of this one stick. Welcome. Now let's put the bumper back and we should be good.
No.
What? No. So what we've done is we put in the hose on the transmission cooler, and now he's watching the video on the rest of it of how to mount it up. So yeah, that's what we're about to do now.
You can let go.
We're putting the bad boys in there. Put them in like that. Oh, it's made in South Korea.
Yes, only the best for my pilot. That's it.
Okay, once again, I'm gonna have to cut that. But where are you gonna tuck the the hose? Or are you just gonna have it just straight up?
It's supposed to connect to the actual lines.
You got like an hour or so by.
This is all the damn Flex Seal, dude. The overspray.
Good old, what is it, Phil Swift? Is that his name?
Phil Swift.
Gotta remember that. Cut to that guy. That's a lot of damage.
No, that's a lot of damage!
I haven't really been filming, but just trying to get the hose. That's the return line or the other one?
The
So
way it flows is hot transmission fluid in here comes out, or comes through the transmission cooler here, and it's going to run through here, and it's going to run everything out through the transmission, or through the radiator. It's going to run out through here, run up through here, through there, and then back out.
and return to the transmission through this one.
So that's the return line.
So this is the return line, and this is the one coming. Well, technically they're both return lines, but this is the one that finally goes into the transmission.
Okay, that was my
This
main.
one is just coming from the radiator into its separate cooler back into the transmission.
That was my main question because the only one I can see is the return line. So all that other stuff I didn't even see. So yeah. All right. Nice. Even though I'm not sure how much of this we got, transmission cooler installed. High five.
Nice. This way, this protects my transmission.
It's hot.
Getting warm, which is a good thing.
Yeah, I was like, why is that?
Fans. It's getting warmer. That's a good thing. That means it's installed and no leaks, so we're good.
It's gonna be pain.
Okay, turn off the car and let's hop in the pilot and go on a little quick drive.
Yeah, okay, I got everything. Do you didn't want to put the front bumper back on? Alright.
I want to make sure. Like when I'm towing something, like I'm towing a car or have a lot of weight in the car, it won't overheat the transmission and damage it.
Okay.
This way it keeps it a little bit safer, so that the transmission will last longer. It was only $50, so it wasn't that like much of an expense. But it's something that keeps my Pilot continuously going on, so I don't have a dead car in like a year or something. I can keep this car going.
Also, I gotta laugh every time we come over this road because of those little bumps. I don't think we need another cutback of that. Are we still bouncing?
Yeah.
I think the worst thing about YouTube, or at least videos, is you can't tell speed on the camera. It just looks like, okay, they're going like 10. And I was not 10. We're going to specify what that was, but it wasn't 10. I can tell you that right now.
It was 40.
Yeah, see right there, it was 40. Nothing to worry about that sound. We figured out it's a plastic piece that, because we still don't have the front bumper. I think I already said this, but yeah, it's a plastic piece on the side. Was that biker looking at us because we were weird because we didn't have the front bumper on? I was like, what in the world? What are they driving?
It's probably that and the sound of going click, 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 click. What's wrong with this car?
It's fine. It's got rods knocked. Actually, that's very not fine.
Yeah, successful. Successful install.
Aside from.
No, don't worry about that.
Yeah. We're successful. Success. Very nice. Sir Lewis decided to use good old Flex Seal. I think I already mentioned this last clip. I don't remember. We've been doing a lot of stuff. I'm kind of tired. But we did this. So we're going to wait probably 24 hours to make sure the seal so it doesn't drip inside. And we're now, which originally is at the very beginning of the video, putting in the interior. How do you feel about that, Jeffrey?
It sucks.
Got the same dream trying to make mine. So I pull up to the club just vibing and my bass be riding. And the dudes be finessing, ain't no stressing, it's a blessing. Woo! I've been trying to do better, move better, get them checks and groove better. Yeah, just trying to keep it real, make them hits without a deal. But she wanna spend my time, that's how she feel. But I got no time to left to kill, wanna make some moves instead of chill. She said it's all about me, no, it's all about you. Yeah, she trying to keep it cool, I'm just trying to set the mood. She wanna chill, like the pool. How about I walk through ocean waves with the bay? Cause we always making moves, that's how a boss do. Got the ice on my chest, like I'm trying to catch a flow. Making bread is nothing new, want the flicks and interviews. Cause you know we never lose, cause you know we never lose, y'all. I was made for this, I been working days for this, I making ways to this, smoked up my brain to this, switching lanes for this. I was made for this, I been working days for this, I making ways to this, smoked up my brain to this, switching lanes for this. Struggle with the challenges from trying to live my life and sit from chalice.
It's coming all together. Look at that. It's like a different car. Well, aside from the center, we're about to put that in too. This looks like a completely, also ignore that back there too, but it's looking like a completely different car. Need to finish my little detailing job, you already know. McGuire, sponsor me, please. I love y'all stuff, please. But yeah, we're gonna get back to it.
Dude.
Wow, look at that. You can't actually see the floor now, it's just dark. Nice. We don't have any interior lights in yet. Oh, thanks, Amazon driver. Never mind. But yeah, we didn't do the ceiling, so it's missing a couple parts, but down here is nice. Actually, I can just show y'all. Hold on. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice. I like how the first word go power steering.
It pulled.
Wanna make some moves instead of chill. She said it's all about me, no, it's all about you. Yeah, she tryna keep it cool. I'm just tryna set the mood. She wanna chill, let the pool. How about I walk through ocean waves with the babe? Cause we always making moves. That's